So our next topic is sequences and series. Sequence is what the terms in a particular manner, right? Like if I'm saying that the manner for the terms is 2n minus 1, where n belongs to first term, second term, third term, and so on. So if n is 1, our first term will be 1. If n is 2, if n is 3, then it will be 5. If n is 4, then it will be 7, and so on. So this is what is a sequence. Series is what these terms of the sequence are connected with a plus or minus sign. This is what is series. This is the difference between sequence and series. Now, what this we called is general term, by which that law, you can represent that law. This is the law that first term, if n is 1, you will get first term. If n is 2, you will get second term. If n is 3, you will get third term. So, this law is known as general term. That is represented by Tn or An. Now suppose we have a question. He said 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5, 5 by 6, and so on. Find its next term. Find its next term. So we have to observe that by which law these terms are connected. Like numerator, 1 is adding in each term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if we are taking numerator n, then denominator is 1 more than the numerator. So we got its general term will be n divided by n plus 1. N divided by n plus 1, where n represents that this is the first term, second term, third term, so it is n. So we can write it n, and denominator is 1 more than the numerator, so it is n upon n plus 1, you can say. So you can find its next term by using general term also, or by adding 1 in numerator and denominator. Now one is finite sequence and one is infinite. Finite, in which number of terms are, you can count the number of terms, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That's it. And infinite sequence, you cannot count the number of terms, like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so on up to infinity. That is infinite sequence. Just note it down.